When Marcus's phone would not turn on, he suddenly lost access to over 3,500 photos and 400 videos that he had never backed up. Hey, it's Mike, visiting Payam Data Recovery to give you a behind-the-scenes look in this case study about a Samsung Galaxy S10 mobile phone that suddenly failed from one of their clients from Brisbane, Australia. The data recovery engineer began by carefully examining the phone. The first thing he told me was that this was a classic case of water damage, something that can happen over time. The phone may keep working, then sometime in the future, suddenly die. When the data recovery engineer opened up the phone, he immediately spotted the problem. Water had gotten inside and caused corrosion on some critical components. Specifically, one of the main power relays connected to the Wi-Fi IC had a short circuit due to this corrosion. The power line doesn't work for booting, he explained to me as he pointed to the damaged area. Essentially, the power line is like the phone's electrical highway. It carries power from the battery to all the critical components that need to wake up when you press the power button. This meant the phone couldn't even start up properly, but with many years of experience, he knew exactly what to do. I watched him methodically removing the faulty DC to DC IC, that's essentially a power conversion chip. He carefully removed several small capacitors that had been affected by the water damage. The precision was incredible. Using specialized tools and working under a microscope, he surgically removed each damaged component. With steady hands, he worked on components smaller than a fingernail. He tested the phone again. The moment of truth arrived. And just like that, the Samsung logo appeared on the screen. The phone was booting up. A full backup of all the data on the phone will now be saved to an external hard drive. Then another team member will email Marcus a file listing, video preview, and request for payment. Once payment is received, it will be shipped to him by courier at no extra cost.